Hello, I'm Dr. Vishnuvardhan, consultant physician, Medicover Hospitals, Health City, Visakhapatnam. Today I would like to talk to you regarding diabetes and the complications that might arise because of diabetes. Many of the Indians, not even Indians in Western countries, many of the people have diabetes, and unfortunately some people are not diagnosed with it, maybe because of lack of symptoms, or maybe the patient cannot attribute the symptoms to diabetes. In such cases, the patient or person has to visit the physician so that the condition will be diagnosed. And if a person is already diagnosed with diabetes, he has to check and maintain his sugar levels so that there won't be any complications arising because of diabetes. There are plenty of complications that we know which can arise because of diabetes. It could be either heart attack or kidney failure or neuropathy symptoms or nephropathy or retinopathy. There are plenty of other complications that could arise because of diabetes. So if the sugar levels are well controlled and if at all any complications have already arisen, then it has to be checked by the physician so that the medication can be given pertaining to that health aspect, and it could be well controlled. If at all the sugars are not controlled, then it is a very grave situation wherein it could arise to a complication called diabetic ketoacidosis, which is a very health emergency, because of which the person might have shortness of breath and pain abdomen or some infection somewhere in the body. So in such cases, the person has to be brought to the ER and has to be checked, and treatment has to be initiated immediately. In some other situations, like wherein the person is on diabetic medication and the dose is not checked, because of which the sugar might come down, might drop drastically, because of which the person might have hypoglycemic symptoms, and that might lead to hypoglycemia, attack or coma, and that can lead to even death in very rare situations. So the person has to check regularly his sugar levels or have maintenance follow-up with a physician so that the sugar will be well controlled. If at all you have any symptoms or complications that could arise because of diabetes, please visit your physician so that it could be checked and well controlled. Thank you.